Hi everyone, it's Julio, and today I'm showing you I'm calling it my edible arrangement. So these are mint that I picked up from my garden in the backyard. I have so much mint growing, so it's my favorite scent. Like, it just makes the whole house smells like mint, and it smells amazing. So I put some in a vase and put a little bit of water in there, and it's gonna last for about a week to a week and a half. And it makes the whole house smells good. So if you have mint or you have other herbs that you don't know what to do with, this is another idea of edible arrangement. It looks pretty, makes your kitchen looks pretty, and it smells amazing. So if you have lots and lots and lots and lots of herbs and you don't know what to do with it, like my mint, I have a little garden and I have a herbal garden, and I'm going to show you next time how my herbs are growing. But the mint are on the other side of the backyard, and I have so much mint, so I use them to make so much homemade cleaning solutions and all these things. And then I also make edible arrangement, so that's what I'm calling it. It stays in your kitchen. If you like rosemary, if you like basil, and any that you're overgrowing, you can arrange it into a little pot, a small pot, and just make your arrangement, put it in your kitchen, and it looks fabulous and it smells amazing. So try this trick. It does amazing. You can even put some of this in a little vase, and it can be in the bathroom. So if, let's say, it's your favorite scent and you want it in the bathroom, you can do that. It could be anywhere in the house. So try this idea. Let me know if you have any tricks that you use to, make your house smell fresh and lovely. Let me know, and I'll share that with everyone too. So this is my idea. I hope you like it. It's just a quick tip, edible arrangement. Let me know what you call yours and try your own, and let me know. Take care and stay safe. Bye bye.